Magnetic resonance imaging, or MRI, is currently the most accurate, non-invasive imaging method to help diagnose multiple sclerosis. An MRI scan uses powerful magnets to create detailed pictures of the brain and spinal cord. This helps doctors spot areas of damage, which could be signs of MS. MRI scans are very accurate and can help doctors see how much damage has occurred and where it has taken place. If you have an MRI scan, you will remove any metal objects like jewelry before you start, as metal can interfere with the scan. If you have any metal in your body, like pacemakers and metal implants, let scanner staff know so they can decide if any extra steps should be taken. You will then be asked to lie down and remain still when you're moved into the scanner. The scan does not hurt, but MRI machines are noisy, so you will be given ear protection. MRI scans don't just help diagnose MS, they're also used to monitor how MS changes over time and whether treatments are working. With MRI technology, doctors can get a clearer picture of MS and provide the best care possible.